Today, Reporters Without Borders have released their 2019 annual report. This year, 49 journalists have been killed while exercising their job. 57 media people have been abducted, 389 have been interfered with, and many of these people have paid with their lives, if not their freedom, because they've trampled on the toes of the mighty and because they've threatened power. This was the case with Daphne Caruana Galizia as well. The murder of Daphne Caruana Galizia was commemorated for the second occasion in October. She fought for truth and paid with her life. Our solidarity has to be with her and her family. We are obligated to act. Her fight for transparency and against corruption must not be in vain. We must do everything for her memory. And there are three ways of approaching this. First of all, we are going to contribute to make sure that those who are guilty or complicit in their murder be brought to justice. Truth must out. Secondly, we have to make sure that journalists can do their work without being put in danger. A free press that also scrutinises those in power, that can be a threat to those in power, is essential for our society and a functioning state under the rule of law in the EU, in member states of the EU and around the world. And also we have to attack this evil at its root. We have to attack the reason why Daphne Caruana Galizia was involved as an investigative journalist. We cannot look away when rights under the rule of law are abused or violated. We must stand up. We must act to fight corruption, to fight money laundering, to make sure that the independence of the judiciary is assured and independent prosecution is assured. We have to make sure that the granting of so-called golden visas and passports that happens in 17 member states of the EU, that this is looked at in detail and we prevent this from happening. We should make sure that a free and strong civil society is ensured and can raise its voice when problems are discovered. And we also have to make sure that there's an early stage mechanism to deal with issues such as the one we've seen in Malta, dealt with at an earlier stage. We need a mechanism for the rule of law democracy, and this is something we owe to Daphne Caruana Galizia.
Thank you.